Hey you! So today we're heading to Bad Bunny's The Immersive Experience called Seguimo Aquí, and it's located in the mall Plaza Las Americas in San Juan. And I'm by myself today, but no worries because we're gonna have fun anyways, so let's go check it out. So this is Plaza Las Americas. I was told is by Cheesecake Factory, which Cheesecake Factory is right over there, and it's by Longhorn or something like that. We're walking this way. Keep in mind, you can't just show up. You do need to book in advance online, but it was super easy. So I actually have to find where is it because I don't know exactly where it is. Before I said Seguimos Aquí, which I said it correctly, but it's actually Seguimo Aquí, which is saying it the Puerto Rican way using our Puerto Rican dialect. So apparently you don't come in through here. This is for people that want to buy merchandise, see the store. So I'm not coming in through here. They told me I need to go outside the mall and go in through the outside. Okay, so Longhorn is right here by this entrance. So let's see, where is this Bad Bunny experience? Is it left or is it right? I'm so confused. Okay, so I came out through there and it's not by Longhorn. So I am walking towards the right now. It should be over here then, next to Cheesecake Factory. Oh yeah, I see a line over there already. My appointment is at 12 and it's 11:20. So the experience is inspired by Bad Bunny's deep love for Puerto Rico. It features vivid installations and narratives that blend art, memories, music, and culture. From vintage home setups to immersive spaces that reflect his childhood, island traditions, and the Jíbaro spirit. It's a tribute to where he comes from and who he represents. This isn't just about Bad Bunny, it's about Puerto Rico. Okay, let me show you exactly where it is. This is the main entrance to the mall, where the valet parking is right here. So that's the main entrance right over there. And Cheesecake Factory is on the other side. And I parked way over there, right? So it's towards the right here. And it's right there. It actually says it up there. It says Seguimos Aquí, right over there. I'm already saving you from the runaround.
Only one?
Yeah. Gracias.
Hacia allá. Menores de 16 con aumento del tiempo, ya que tenemos ventas de bebidas alcohólicas. ¿Alguna duda o pregunta?
Well, I'm in the line now for checking in. Apparently they check your ID and your ticket, which my ticket is on my phone right here. My first impression here of the check-in area, it feels very dark, a little bit smoky. I don't know, maybe because I'm going blind, but very foresty, dark, cozy, jungle-like, and I could hear sounds from the speakers of like birds. So very interesting. Yay! I didn't see a name for this tunnel, but let's just call it Pava Tunnel. And Pava is straw hat, and these pavas represent a Jíbaro at dawn in the countryside. You can see the rays of light come through. The little hats that Bad Bunny is making it very popular, very traditional of Puerto Rico. They used over 2,000 pavas to make this tunnel.
Una casa del campo que representa el 1930 y 1950. Vamos a entrar a ella.
You could hear the roosters. They have the little balcony with the chair, entering an old traditional house in Puerto Rico. That's the radiola. It's very dark here. I used to have these in my house. I remember these books. pilón. Little kitchen. Look at this fridge. Little bench here. An iron. Some books. Old books. Pictures. I wonder if these pictures are real. Oh, the flamboyant. A chandelier. A little hammock. Okay, we're exiting the house through another door. Here's the patio. Very traditional, hanging your clothes outside. That was me. I didn't have a dryer. You hear the birds? We're heading to Pozo de Jacinto. Whoa. Woo. Beautiful. I got the chills. Jacinto! Ooh, I get dizzy. It was from the video, the long video from Bad Bunny. Ese es debí tirar más fotos. Sí, ese es el video, ¿verdad? Ok. Y dijiste del 86. Ok. ¡Woo!
Sí, familia, ahora mi nombre es Bea.
Estudio.
Que él tenía al momento de grabar el disco. En la pared detrás de ustedes está el mural del Sapo Concho. El Sapo Concho es el único sapo nativo de Puerto Rico, pero tristemente se encuentra en peligro de extinción.
This is the last part, I guess. Got people playing dominoes. I guess you can hang out here and play dominoes. Interesting so far. ¿Qué sabores son?
Tengo de coco, matcha y la lalandia.
I feel like I'm on the plaza, any plaza from any town. I think we're done, but I see another section here, so let's go in. It says here bomba. Let's go in here. They said it was over, but I see something here.
Vamos a reír.
Gracias. So we're back where the mall is, where I showed you at the beginning. And this is the merch store. So aquí tenemos, ¿cuál es tu nombre?
Lisa de León.
Lisa. Dime qué tal la experiencia, si te gustó o no te gustó, qué pensaste, dime.
Pues mira, una experiencia fantástica, muy emocionante desde la fila. Revivir todas esas presentaciones que tienen es precioso, de verdad, bien emocionante. Los invito a que vengan.
Ya escucharon, now you know. Gracias.
Necesito saber si tienen el disco, porque yo lo que quiero es el disco.
What can I say about this experience? Let me see if I'm heading the right way. I liked it. It's free, okay? So you can't ask for a lot either. So it's pretty cool. The concepts are nice. They are selected by Bad Bunny himself. Yeah, it's cool to see little things here and there. I couldn't quite enjoy it as much as if I'm not filming. But overall, I say it's worth it coming, especially that it's free. I'm checking out here the Dubai chocolate, which is very popular. Buena. ¿A cuánto vale una barrita pequeña? 14. $14 for that little thing. I don't want to imagine how much is that big one. Wow. $14? I don't think so. Okay, I'm getting that cheesecake strawberry thing. $11. So I got this, which is that cheesecake strawberry thing. $12.27 with tax. Now I gotta go to the Airbnbs and work some more. My day doesn't end. I gotta work. Getting my little snack in. Wow, it's sweet. It's good. Good. So I hope you enjoyed this experience, and I'll see you in my next one.